Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Back up and duplicate your live theme so you can undo changes. Once done, open the Shopify admin, go to Online Store, Themes, Actions, Edit Code. Make sure you identify the main layout file theme, Liquid, or a header/navigation snippet where breadcrumbs belong. You will add a small include and a placeholder container. This ensures the markup appears on every page. Save drafts frequently and use descriptive file names so you can trace what you changed later if you need to revert. Now you insert the breadcrumb markup. Create snippets/breadcrumbs. Liquid and add a semantic nav wrapper using schema. Org breadcrumb list and liquid loops to output collection, product, and page ancestors. Use conditional logic to hide empty segments and include separators for readability. Once done, open product. Liquid, collection. Liquid and page templates and include the snippet with %, include breadcrumbs % or render. Make sure to test different product and collection paths to verify correct hierarchy and accessible markup for screen readers and SEO crawlers. Finish by styling and testing. Add CSS for breadcrumbs to handle wrapping, click targets, and mobile responsiveness. Use area attributes for accessibility. Then validate structured data with a rich results test and click through multiple navigation paths to ensure links and separators render correctly. If something breaks, revert to your duplicated theme and compare code diffs to find the error. Common issues are misplaced include tags or liquid nil values. Finally, publish when satisfied and monitor analytics for any unexpected navigation changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.